Your ex is coming to our son's dedication, and you didn't even ask me.
I've sent out all the invitations.
I know you have been wanting to create this type of AI movies, but you don't know how to create it. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by steps on how to create these AI movies, starting from scratch. Both the apps that you're going to use to create these AI movies. I'm going to show you the free apps that you're going to use. Everything is free. You don't need to subscribe to any app in order to create these AI movies. You know, this AI movies has been trending on also social media platform, both on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and the most good thing there is that you can monetize these AI stories, AI movie. You can monetize it and generate money from it. All you have to do is to get started. Once you get started, you meet the criteria that you need to meet, then you will get monetized and start earning money from these videos. And this videos you're seeing now, you see this account, you see the millions of views this person is pulling, you see this one, the millions of views this person is pulling just by creating these AI movies. Okay, now in this video I will show you how to create viral AI movies with free AI tools and where to find unlimited story ideas. Watch till the end, don't miss any important step. Hello guys, my name is Nelly. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not to subscribe to my YouTube. In creating a comparing story, and for that you will need ChatGPT to do this. And also you can use other AI apps to do this, such as you can use Gemini AI app, you can use Grok AI, and you can use Cloud AI. But in this video I'm going to use ChatGPT to do this AI story. So you will start with, instead of asking ChatGPT random title to create a random title story for you, you can just put in your own idea. Tell ChatGPT what you want in a very short summary of what you want, your idea. And before you create any story, you must have the idea of the story that you want to create in your head. Because if you have the idea, the way you want the story to go, the structure you want it to follow, then you will get a very quick result. So you go to ChatGPT, then instead of asking for a random title or for a random story, you can tell ChatGPT, you are a professional storyteller, or you can say act as a professional storyteller or film producer and scriptwriter. Then you open a bracket and put your title, whether you're using title or you're using a summary, a story summary. You put it in that your bracket that you opened and close the bracket. So my own story summary is, my husband invited his ex to our son's dedication party and made it clear if I cannot handle it, I am free to leave. So I gave him the calmest and the most mature response of my life. This is my summary. Then I close the bracket. Then you come down and write. The story should be in a dialogue format. This is very important. Then interesting, suspense filled, and conversational. Introduce new people where needed. You must tell AI how you want it to be, whether to introduce people or whether to just work on the only character that you gave AI. So you have to tell AI exactly what you want here. So after that, you can add facial expressions and camera angles where needed. Then if you want it to be scene by scenes, you can tell AI, okay, I want this story to be up to 8 scenes, 9 scenes, 10 scenes, 20 scenes, depending on how many scenes you want it to be. Or you can actually make it, okay, I want this story to have 8 episodes. In each episode, I want it to be 2 to 3 scenes in each episode. So ChatGPT already know that this story is going to be a total of 8 episodes, and each episode is going to have 2 to 3 scenes in it. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. ChatGPT gave me this, our character, which is Clara and Daniel. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. So this is our character we are going to work with. So let me just read the scene one. Okay, Daniel said, I have sent out all the invitation. Clara then replied, that is great, your family confirmed. He said yes, that his family is confirmed. Then he proceeded to tell Clara that Sophia is coming, and Sophia is his ex. So when you see the story, you will be able to know. Just check all this the sense that AI gave you, whether you like it, whether you love it, whether it's what you want. If you do not like anyone, you can actually tell AI to rewrite scene 1, to rewrite episode 1, to rewrite episode 2, depending on the one you do not like. If you do not like all of them, you can tell AI, please repeat all of them. You can see where I said, please rewrite and use Nigerian or African names. So AI rewrited it and gave me this instead. So after giving me this, we have about 8 to 9 scenes in this So we go ahead and ask this ChatGPT, generate appropriate image prompts for each scenes without leaving anyone or anything out, and make it easy for AI to understand. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. And after looking at it, going through it, it is complicated. So I said, this is complicated. So here, ChatGPT repeated it and make it simpler and AI to understand. And whenever you want to, you can actually add whatever you don't want it to be there. You can remove and add the ones you want. Then you go ahead and ask ChatGPT, I need a detailed image prompt description for each character in this story. So this is what ChatGPT gave. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. It gave me my mere character prompt. Then all the characters in your story is going to give you the prompt. You can pause and read. Then you head over to your browser. Whether you're using Android, Apple phone, any phone you're using, just go to your browser, type in Flow AI. Once you type in Flow AI, you click the link, then it's going to open like this. I know you have not signed in. You sign in with your email. Once you sign in your email, it's going to be like this. Then it's opened. You go back to your ChatGPT and copy your character prompt. Whichever the character you want to create, you head over and copy it. Once you copy it, you go back to your Flow AI. You go back to your Flow AI. Once you go back to your Flow AI, first thing you need to do is to set it. You can see where the right image and video. We are creating image. Make sure it's in image. Then make sure it is in 9.6 ratio. Where if you are creating for TikTok, if you are creating for YouTube, put it in 16:9. Then put it in ×2. You paste your prompt. Yeah, once you create your prompt, you correct whatever you want to correct. You can change the skin color of the character, whatever you want to correct. Once you correct it, you send it. It's going to create our image now. So our image is ready. You can check it whether you like the images. So it's going to create 2 images for you. You check the first one, the second one, then you choose the best, the one you love the most. So you will do this for each of every character that you want to create. So we'll go. If you don't like the image, you can tell this Flow AI to recreate the image. Then you go back and copy your main character depending on the character you want to create. Then you correct whatever you want to correct and paste it. It's going to create the image. If you don't like the image, you can still recreate as many times as you want. Note this, you can recreate. The image is free. You can recreate any image. If you want to create 20 images in a day, you can. So it's going to create our male image. So you're going to do this for each of every of your character you are working with. Then after that, we go over to create our scenes, the scene in our video. Then you copy scene 1. Then you go back to the Flow AI. You can say I've created all the images that I want to work with. You see the nanometer now, you click there, make sure that everything is still intact, it's still in image, it's still in the aspect ratio you want to use. Then you paste your scene prompt. Then once you press your scene prompt, you can correct whatever you want to correct, add or remove whatever you want to remove. Then once you are done with it, you go over, you see that plus sign that is down there, that plus sign that is there, you click on it. You click the plus sign, then you select the characters that you want to be in that scene. Once you select it, then you send. It's creating our scene now. Okay, the scene is ready. Then you can check the scene whether you like it. The man and the woman talking, the man and the woman having a conversation. If you don't like it, you can recreate. In order not to be confused, you can delete some images or characters that you don't want to use for your workplace to be free. Just delete the characters you are not using so that you will not be confused when you want to create your scene. It's going to be more easier for you. You can see that I'm deleting the ones I don't want so that my workplace is going to be free for me and more easier for me to create my image. Then once you are done with that, you click on the image and download the one that you want to use. So I want to use this one. I clicked on it, then I say download. You click on the download, you click on it and download the image that you want to use. This is how you are going to download all the images that you want to use, the characters you are going to use. Once you are done with that, you get back to your ChatGPT, then you select your scene 2. Then you will do this for each of every scene that you want to create. You come back to this Flow AI, then you paste your scene, correct and add whatever you want to change. correct it. Make sure you remove and add whatever you want to correct. Then after doing so, after adding and removing, then you click on that plus sign. You see, I've seen the plus sign. You click on it, select the characters and or image that you're working with. Once you're done selecting the characters or the image that you are going to work with, then you paste. Then this is what AI generated for me. I don't like it. I'm not feeling it. So I will ask my Flow AI to regenerate and see this one now. That is why I say AI can make mistake. Make sure you prompt very well. Correct some certain things in your prompt, because it's not going to give you exactly what you want. That is why after correcting it, this is me correcting it to make sure that it come out perfect. Then after correcting it, then you send it again for Flow AI to regenerate, and it's going to give you a better good result. Just know that you can recreate your image until you get a perfect result that you want. This is the second result Flow AI gave me, and I love it. I'm going to use it. So you go back to your ChatGPT, then to your dialogue, the same one. You select the dialogue. Don't select all the dialogue at once, because if you do that, it's going to be very bad when you create the video. So you just select like 2 to 3 lines, then you go back to your Flow AI. Select like 2 to 3 or 4 lines, let it not be notes. Then go back to your Flow AI or copy it to your notes and correct some certain thing, because you're going to add the man is speaking, the woman is speaking, the woman replied, and so that AI do not know their names. Is what you give AI is what AI is going to use. AI do not know the name of your character. So you add the man speaking, the woman is speaking. When there is multiple characters, you can use the person that is wearing green, the person that is wearing white, in order to differentiate the character you are talking about, so that you are going to get a perfect result. If not, you are not going to get a perfect result. Then after that, you put it in the whether you want them to be speaking English accent or to be speaking British accent, depending on the one you want. Me, I'm going to put my own to Nigerian local English accent in order to get what I want. So I went back to my Flow AI after my correction, adding whatever I want to add. Then I went back to my Flow AI. You know you have created our scene in this place. Then click the plus button, select the scene you are working with to create your dialogue AI. Once you select the scene, then you go to that nano banana place and set this. Then you change these things to video, then to the ratio you want it to be. Then you put it on ×1, put it on 3.1 light in order to manage your daily credit. They're giving you 15 daily credits, and each video costs you 10 credits. So you do this for each of every video, then you send. It's going to generate. Let's see our video.
I've sent out all the invitations.
That's great. Your family confirmed?
Yes, and Sophia is coming too.
Sophia?
Do this for every scene that I want to create. Copy the dialogue, then go there and do it. Then go to CapCut and select the scenes that you want to edit. Select all the scenes that you want to edit in this CapCut, because we are going to be using CapCut to edit our videos. We have other editing apps, but I'm going to use CapCut in this video. Then after selecting all the scenes that you want to edit, then it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. Then here now you start trimming. You will trim out the ones, the excess in the video, and the part you don't want it to be in the video. But before you start trimming out the ones you don't want to be in this video, make sure you watch the videos, the scenes that you created, watch it and trim out the ones you don't want. Then once you trim it out, you just click on that particular one, on that particular video. Then you see down there, look down there, you're going to see where the right split. Click on it, then the video will split. Then you delete the one that you don't want. Then after doing that, once you are done trimming out the excess, you watch the video and make sure that everything is perfect. Then you add in your transition. You click on, you will see this line between each video. You click on it, then you select the transition you want to add in each of the video, in between of the video. Then after adding the transition, then you are going to add 3 to 5 seconds video hook. What people will see, the first 3 seconds video people will see and stay and watch your video. So you are going to add it at the beginning of this video, so that people will be glued to your video and stay and watch your video. So once you are done with that, just follow the step that I'm using to edit my video. You trim out the excess, then you add your transition. Then add your hook, your video hook, up to like 3 to 5 seconds video hook at the beginning of your video. Once you are done with all the, then click on your adjust button. Is down there along those boxes. Then click on it, select brightness, reduce the brightness to 5 or 10, then increase the contrast to 3 to 5, then go to sharpen, increase your sharpen to 10 to 50 depending on your choice. Then after applying that, after adjusting it, will look like this. Click on the adjust and drag it to the end to make sure that it applies to all the videos. Then after doing that, you see that where the right caption down there, you click on it, then you choose the font that you want to use on your caption, then select the font, the style. See, you select it. After selecting the font or the style that you want to use, then you click on it, it will apply. Just wait for some minutes. Everything is ready. You can see your caption is ready. You can increase the caption to be bold. You can reduce it if you don't want it to be bold to cover the screen of your phone. No, but you can reduce or increase it. Then after doing that, you can also add watermark to your video. You click on text, then add your watermark, maybe the name of your page or whatever the watermark is. You can add it. Select the font, the template that you want. You can select any template that you want. Maybe you want to add follow for more, you can just add the text and select the template that you want. Then you can also, if you want to add your logo, click on overlay down there, select your logo. This is my logo. Just you click on it, you add it to any part of the video that you want it to be. Select your logo and add it there. Then after adding, you drag it to make sure it applies to all your videos. But if you don't want it to apply to all your videos, just leave it at that first place that it is. It's time to export. You click up there and export your video. If you want to adjust, you can click on AIUD, but I don't want that. That will just export my video. Then after exporting my video, our video is ready. You can also use InShot to edit your video the same way it is in CapCut. You can also use InShot depending on your choice. Then after that, our video is ready.
Your ex is coming to our son's dedication, and you didn't even ask me.
I've sent out all the invitations.
That's great. Your family confirmed?
Yes, and Sophia is coming too.
Sophia?
My ex.
Your ex is coming to our son's dedication.
She was part of my life once.
Your ex is coming to our son's dedication, and you didn't even ask me.
I don't need permission.
Daniel.
Act mature, or if you can't handle it, you're free to leave. To leave the house, the door is wide open.
He actually said that, word for word. The audacity! I almost argued. So why didn't you? Because some battles aren't won with shouting. What are you planning? You will see, he said I should act mature, and I will act mature.
I hope you have learned a lot from this. Okay guys, if you find this video very helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel